What is up guys, it is LBC Tech Therapy here, and it's been a long time I know, but today I've got a special little treat for you guys. And this is a $30 soundbar, which is crazy cheap for a soundbar. But we'll see how it looks. And this is the unboxing of the $30 soundbar. Rip this motherfucker from here. And it's in this small little box. You can see this is the size of it. It says with a nice silver writing Bluetooth speaker. I'm pretty excited how this one looks, feels and sounds. Let's get it out of here. I don't know, that was a little box I think for protecting it. And here is the speaker. Wow, it's not big at all. But it's got a nice weight to it, and you know when a speaker weighs a little bit, it sounds great. But it's only two 10-watt drivers that is in this little cool thing. And wow, it looks really good for only 30 bucks. With this nice finish, this nice glossy finish, it looks pretty premium if you ask me. And you got this little textured material here on the front, which really makes it look great. I guess this one would be perfect for a little computer setup if you're needing some sound coming right in front of you. This would be a perfect option. And on the bottom of the speaker here is 4 feet to help protect this glossy finish. And well, it just looks amazing. I'm actually kind of surprised. For only 30 bucks you'll get this kind of premium design, premium feel to it. And right here on the side of the speaker is the volume rocker up and down. And it says off here on the bottom, so I guess when I turn it, it turns on. It turns on, as you could hear. And well, inside the speaker is a 4500 milliamp hour battery, so that you can bring it with you to the pool, to a party, to a little cozy night dinner with your girlfriend, spouse, whatever. And it has up to 12 hours of battery life on this small battery. And it takes around 6 hours to charge it to its fullest right here on the back with the 5-watt DC input. It's a micro USB input that goes right in here. And on the side of that is the auxiliary input. So you can plug in an auxiliary cable right into your phone if you're interested in that. Well, I guess there's not much more to do than to try it out so that you guys can listen to it. Let's find some music that we can enjoy together. Okay, right now it's at the minimum.
Taylor.
This actually sounds really great. Wow, I'm really impressed by this one. And it is Funanasun, that is the company that got this one. It actually sounds really decent, but when we turn it up, I guess it will crack up a little bit. But let's try it to the medium. It starts cracking up a bit on the bass. Let's crank it all the way up. Not good. It blows air into my face right now. It goes really loud actually. This small little speaker here. Well, I guess this speaker is cheap. It costs 30 bucks, so what can you expect for the sound quality? This $30 soundbar actually sounds quite decent. The highs and mids are actually really great, especially the highs is on point. But when you go to the low end, you know, with the bass, the deep bass, the kick, it misses that a lot. It just sounds horrible when you crank it all the way up. But I guess this speaker will be great if you don't listen to rap music like I do. If you listen to some acoustic guitar music, you know, with some soft, sweet, soothing music, I guess this one would be a lot better for you. And if you don't like loud music and you like keeping your speaker on a low end, this will also be perfect for you. Because when you crank it all the way up, it just starts cracking up and starts sounding a bit shitty. But besides the somehow shitty sound quality, the design is really great. It's a cool, nice fabric which looks very modern, if you ask me. And the glossy finish here on the sides and on the bottom is also one of the things that makes this little soundbar look very, very premium. It's a very, very premium looking speaker. You got fingerprints all over it if you got greasy hands. If you like listening to some soothing, chilled out music, you know, not rap, hardcore rap with bass and all of that, this will also be for you. But if you like bassy music, I won't recommend this for you because you will just get disappointed very much. Well, I guess that was all for me in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and well, if you enjoyed it, then you should of course consider subscribing to my channel. Like the video if you loved it, and well, I hope we'll be seeing each other in my next video. You can of course go check out all my videos below, or check one of these two videos right up here somewhere, I guess. And well,